If you saw this lying on the ground, you'd probably kick it or throw it in a grill. It looks like a worthless lump of charcoal. But this is actually one of the most valuable objects on Earth. It is a book from the personal library of Julius Caesar's father-in-law. For 2,000 years, historians knew exactly where this library was buried. But there was a catch. This book is so fragile that if you touch it, it turns to dust. If you try to open it, it disintegrates. It was physically impossible to read. Until 2024, because we didn't use hands to open it, we used artificial intelligence. Here's how code just resurrected the dead. To understand why this is such a massive tech breakthrough, you have to understand the physics problem. When Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD, it didn't burn these scrolls, it carbonized them. It toasted them instantly in a blast of 600-degree heat. So, why couldn't we just X-ray them? We X-ray mummies all the time, right? Here's the problem. The Romans wrote on papyrus, which is organic carbon, using ink made of smoke and gum, which is also carbon. To a normal X-ray, the ink and the paper look exactly the same. There's no contrast. For decades, scientists looked at the scans and saw nothing but a blurry mess. The information was there, but it was invisible to the human eye. Enter Dr. Brent Seals and the Vesuvius Challenge. They realized that while human eyes couldn't see the ink, maybe a machine could. They took high-resolution CT scans of the scrolls, slicing them digitally into thousands of layers. Then they trained a machine learning model. They taught the AI to look for the tiniest microscopic changes in texture, a crackle pattern that happens where ink sits on the page. This is where the magic happened. The AI wasn't reading letters. It was detecting 3D topographical changes on a surface that was still rolled up. In 2024, 3 students, Luke Ferreter, Youssef Nader, and Julian Schilliger, combined their code to win the grand prize. The AI successfully unwrapped the scroll digitally and spotted Greek letters floating in the void. So what did this ghost from the past have to say? The AI revealed a lost text by the philosopher Philodemus. He wasn't writing about wars or politics. He was writing about music, food, and how to enjoy life. But the text isn't the most exciting part, the technology is. We have successfully proven that AI can see things that are physically invisible to humans. We have hundreds more of these scrolls sitting in a warehouse in Naples. We are about to upload an entire lost library into the cloud. If AI can read invisible ink from 2,000 years ago, what else is it about to reveal? If you want to know how this same tech is changing the future of quantum computing, click this video right here. Thanks for watching Tech Wonders.